Hello and welcome to this all-standing 10-minute arm workout. This workout does not have a warm-up, so go ahead and click this little box above here for a 5-minute warm-up. If you're not warmed up already, this is a great add-on video. I'm using 5 pounds today. I would start with maybe half that, 2-3 pounds. There are no breaks, and we're doing it to the beat of the music. So you can always go at your own pace, but it is a challenge. With that, we're going to go ahead and get started. Starting with our elbows at a 90-degree angle. Palms are facing in. Nice and slow, keeping the elbows bent. We come up and come down. Nice and slow. Just a few more times, and we're going to pick that tempo up. One more time. All right, tempo, here we go. Also, always make the move a little bit smaller if you need to. Core is engaged. Last 3, squeeze the elbows back. We hold this last one back, little elbow pulse squeeze. So you're squeezing those shoulder blades. Hold it here for 4, 3, 8 more at tempo. Here we go. Up and down. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Going directly into a hammer curl. So we have 4 hammer curls. Hold the last one up, we hinge forward, come directly into 4 tricep kickbacks. Lower the weight, stand up. We go 4, 3, 2, hold and hinge, back. 3, 2, and 1, lower and stand, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hinge kick back for 4. Shoulders down and back, elbows stay high. We do this 1 more time. Hinge, back. Directly into an overhead press. So we go single, single, and double. Single, single, and double. Throughout this workout, keep a small bend in your knees. Core is engaged. Last one. Drop 1 weight, holding it in both hands. We're going to lift it up and down. So just coming up to shoulder height, and then keep your shoulders pressed down and back. Adding on to this, hold it here, twist, twist, center, and down. Lift, twist, twist, center, and down. Think about driving a car, turning the steering wheel. Woo, feel those muscles engage. Go front, twist, twist, center, and down. 1 more. Next move, just 1 weight again. We have 1 row, 1 kickback, 1 little lift, and then lower down. So 4-part move. Here we go. Row, back, little lift, and down. Row, straight, lift, and down. Shoulders are square. You're hinged slightly forward at the hips. Your tummy's in. A lot to remember. And then keep those shoulders away from the ears, down and back. Last one. And same thing, let's switch sides. Hinge at the hips. We go back. Extend, little lift, and down. Slow and controlled the whole time. Really emphasize that little lift. It's like a hold. Up and down. Last one. Nice job. Grab that other weight. Flipping the palms to the ceiling so our arms make like a W shape. We're going to curl up and down. So curl up, check mark, reach it up to the corner and down. All right, adding on, we're going to do single, single, double. Now the right. Now both arms, same time. Again, slow and controlled. You got it. I know you're feeling it in the shoulders. Biceps too. Double. Release. Double. Hold the bicep curl here. Woo! 2 more. Okay. Palms towards you. Again, roll those shoulders down and back. Tummy in, slight bend in the knees. We're going to go single, single front raise, and double. Then we go to the side. Single, single, and double. Double front. Side right. Side left. Double. Side, double, one more time. Nice job. Pushing the weights together as much as you can. If not, a little bit separated is okay. We're going to push them together so we activate those chest muscles. We then bring it up to our chest. Keeping the weights pressed together, we then push them out. We open the arms wide, back to center, back in, and lower. So we go. Bicep curl, out, open, close, in, and down. I'll give you a side view. Curl up, out, open, squeeze those shoulder blades, chest, slowly lower. I know you guys, slower is harder. Slow and controlled. Drop your weight if you need to. You should also be feeling this in your core. If you keep pushing the weights together, that's activating the chest more. And down. Can we do 3 more? In. All right, one more. Little shoulder shake there. I sure got one. All right, burning it out. Hammer bicep curl here. 3, 2, hold them up here, punch forward and in, forward and in. Try to hold that torso straight, still working the core too. It's just a little bonus here. Woo, I know they're getting heavy. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put the weights down. Shake that out. I will stretch you guys out. Okay, feet underneath those hips. Let's start with some big arm circles here, all the way up. Side, back, and down. Reach up. Side, back, and down. That went quick, you guys. Good job. It's a good one to come back to as you get stronger to see how much, let's reverse that circle, how much that you have increased your weight and gotten stronger. Clasp your fingers together, straight out. Go ahead and round your back and then flip your palms towards me. And then bring it back up to the ceiling. Little side bend. Reach up, up, up. Back up top. Release down with some wrist circles. Releasing any tension there. Right arm comes out to the side. We hug it nice and close. Drop that shoulder down. And while we're here, take the left ear towards the left shoulder for a neck stretch as well. Release it down, other side. Hug it in. Right ear to right shoulder. Nice deep breaths. Release it down. Flex your palms towards me, fingers towards the floor, straight elbows. And then we take it out to the side. Keep those arms lengthened, open up the chest, shoulders down and back. And then flip your palms to the back, thumbs to the floor. Release the arms behind you, clasp your fingers if that's available to you behind you. And again, open up that chest. Try not to stick your butt out here, little pelvic tilt. Shoulders down and back. Maybe lift your chin a little bit if that's comfortable for you. Maybe lift your arms a little bit if that's available to you. Release, shake it out. Right arm up, reach the fingers towards your back for a nice tricep stretch here. Breathe in and out. And switch. Try getting the elbow to the ceiling, fingers walking down your back. Inhale. And exhale. Release it down. Shake it out. Do another video if that's what you're in the mood for today. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.